Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Traverse. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics, cruise control, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.